Oh, hi, welcome to the video. I'm here with updates about our house. So we are officially rebuilding the place. Awesome, I feel so good about it. And meanwhile, we're moving into our property. We put all the services in, the power again, and my solar power, and we are gonna live in a camper. We're gonna use the cabin for like TV there and the couch, and my oldest boys are sleeping there, so we have more room in the camper. Yeah, and using sauna as a storage, and until it gets cold. When it gets cold again, I don't know what we're gonna do. If the house is not done, we're probably gonna have to rent another house months to months until we finish the place. We'll see what happens. And yeah, I did some drone footage how we were putting concrete in and footings. I'll just played around with it and did some nice shots. I guess enjoy them. Thanks for watching the video very much. I appreciate all of you guys watching. Stay positive, never be negative. Doesn't matter what happens in your life. It's hard, I know. It's easy to say, it's hard to actually stay positive. Either way, thanks for watching, and go enjoy my other videos. If you like music, go check my music out. If you're new at this channel, my channel is about, I'll be doing camping videos, traveling videos, adventure videos, maybe quadding, sledding. We're gonna have music videos and try to do different content. So whatever you enjoy, subscribe, and then just wait for the video you like to watch. And yeah, have a blessed day, evening, night, whatever it is at your place. And yeah, stay good. I'm gone until next time.